Welcome to Speedy K's Mobile Detailing Specialist. So today we wanted to cover a little bit about pontoon boat clean. As you see from this pontoon boat, we do also specialize in heavy neglect and or boats that haven't, utilized their covers, or they've been sitting in the facility or a lot and haven't been used for a while, and they just been improperly upkept. And we do offer this service as far as cleaning and professionally trying to get this boat to a good condition, meaning all these areas are completely covered. We do full details on these. Whatever you prefer, we can give you that free estimate via phone. Just submit us an information online, and we'd be more than happy to get you that estimate. Now, we also offer regular upkeep discounts as per the manufacturer recommends, meaning if you clean your pontoon boat at least 2 to 3 times a year, you do receive discounts for that, because then not only does it protect your finish, it doesn't cause all these stains, doesn't cause all these issues. It helps prevent from that. So this is the last thing that you would want your pontoon boat to do, especially after having that kind of investment into something like this. You can prevent all this from staining, spotting, especially if you get heavy drops of bird droppings, spider droppings, whatever it may be. They stain very quickly, especially if you don't treat these seats or the interior. So we wanted to show you some before and after pictures of this boat that has been neglected for a couple years, and it was just sitting outside. We do also offer this service as far as we call it a heavy cleanup package, to prepare it for the owner to at least get it presentable and comfortable, as far as for use. So this is before and the after pictures. As you see, they do clean up pretty nice. I mean, of course, any of the stains, the spotting, these are spider droppings and things like that do stain into the boat's finish. Not much you can do there, not unless you replace it and or take care of it that way. But we do offer the before and after pictures here as far as cleaning, and offer these types of services to help you get your boat back to a comfortable position where you can use the boat. So if this is something you're interested in, just let us know. Fill out the contact form online, or even schedule an appointment. We'll call you either way with a free estimate and go over everything before we schedule your appointment. And thank you for choosing Speedy K's.